Hi, my name's Eric Willie. I'm a divorce lawyer in Austin, Texas, and in about October of 2017, after having my pay-per-click guys for about 6 years, their campaign began to stall and not produce anywhere near where it had been. I was referred to Ed and Rob, and I initially talked with Ed and asked him to take a look at my campaign. He stepped in. He told me how we can convert better, how we can spend less, how we could get more leads, and I trusted him, and I went with him, and I decided to give Ed and Rob a shot. Within just a week, my calls went through the roof. I was getting 2 and 3 times the calls at half the cost, and a year later, here we are. My revenue has increased by at least 30%. My click-through rate is off the charts. My conversions are off the charts. And on most days, I'm getting 7 to 10 calls attributed just from Ed and Rob. When I have a problem or a suggestion to these guys, or I need a question asked, I reach out to Ed and he gets back to me within 24 hours, not a problem. So if you're looking to increase your market share and increase your revenue, don't hesitate to call Ed and Rob.